A free-falling object is an object that is falling under the sole influence of gravity. Any object that is being acted upon only by the force of gravity is said to be in a state of free fall. There are two important motion characteristics that are true of free-falling objects. 1. Free-falling objects do not encounter air resistance. All free-falling objects on Earth accelerate downwards at a rate of 9.8 meters per second per second. So, what is the physics behind cliff diving? When you jump from a cliff, you go into free fall, and gravity is the only force acting on your body. You encounter no resistance from friction with the ground as you would when running or skiing, and you suffer negligible air resistance. But gravity is a powerful force. As you fall, it pulls you toward the earth, or in the case of cliff diving, toward the water. Because time is a factor in this formula, the longer you fall through space, the faster you go. Freefall acceleration dictates that every second of your descent has an increased velocity over the second before it. Higher cliffs don't accelerate your fall. Acceleration is constant during freefall. The pull of gravity decreases at higher elevations, but it pulls you with an equal force from the first second of your jump until you decrease when you hit the water. What the height from which you jump affects is the speed with which you hit the water. If you jump from 10 feet, or 3 meters, you'll be traveling at 17 miles per hour when you reach the water. If you increase your height to 50 feet, or 15 meters, you increase the speed of impact to 38 miles per hour. That's just the vertical velocity of your fall through space, the speed you gain from gravity acting alone. If you add some horizontal velocity, your impact speed increases. Then, when you hit the water, your velocity drops almost instantaneously. In about a second, you go from maximum speed to zero. The biggest cliff diving competition is hosted by Red Bull, which has a series of rounds across the globe. This includes the U.S., Cuba, Ireland, Norway, and many more stops. Professional cliff divers have noted that you must be strong to handle the impact because the water stops you so suddenly. If you are not completely vertical, the excess surface area hitting the water can be extremely fatal. Abdominal leg muscles are needed to protect the back. Professional divers are also known to do flips and somersaults jumping off the cliffs in order to help them decrease or increase their speed accordingly to minimize impact when hitting the water.